In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT 5 explained. Features, access, and free usage. ChatGPT 5 is described as OpenAI's next step in conversational AI, built to deliver stronger reasoning, faster responses, and more accurate results across everyday tasks. Think of it as a general-purpose assistant that can help with writing, coding, research, and problem solving, while sounding more natural and staying aware of context over longer chats. Let's start with what sets it apart. This model is designed to better understand complex prompts and keep track of long conversations, so it's less likely to lose the thread when you revise or iterate. For content creation, it can produce clearer drafts for essays, emails, and marketing copy, and it handles tone and structure more reliably. If you code, you'll notice stronger support for generating functions, explaining snippets, and identifying bugs, along with suggestions that reference your existing context. Another highlight is multimodality. Beyond text, ChatGPT 5 is built to analyze images and other inputs where supported, which means you can, for example, describe a diagram or share a screenshot and ask for a structured explanation. When you mix modalities, text plus images, you often get more precise guidance, especially for troubleshooting or analysis. Access is straightforward. You use it through the ChatGPT platform. Availability can vary based on your subscription plan and platform updates, so check what's currently listed in your account. Desktop and mobile experiences are both supported, and premium tiers may unlock higher usage limits and extra tools as they roll out. Now, pricing and limits. Free access typically offers a lighter version of advanced features and may be subject to usage caps, especially during busy periods. Paid plans often include faster performance, priority access when demand is high, and more generous limits. If you rely on AI daily for substantial writing, coding, or analysis, a premium plan tends to be more consistent. Is it worth using? For students, professionals, and creators, the value comes from time saved and higher quality output. If you do frequent research, draft lots of documents, or debug code regularly, the upgrade can be significant. If your use is occasional, the free tier is a good way to explore capabilities before committing. A few quick tips for better results. State your goal up front. Include constraints like length or audience, and paste short examples of the style you want. When coding, share relevant error messages and a minimal snippet. And remember to review outputs critically. Use the model as a smart collaborator, not a final authority. That's the overview of ChatGPT 5. Features, access options, and how free compares to paid. Thanks for watching.